How to filter in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the filter feature on Smartsheet. So all you got to do is just click on this filter icon and then you'll be able to create a new filter. So just type down the name of the filter. Let me type down subtask filter. And you can just select the rows that match. Now you need to apply the filter on what thing. You can just specify it over here. For example, I have selected row, and then you can select has attachments or anything, and then here you can specify the attachments. There are numerous other options, so you can just select that and then click on apply. And here you can see that I have no option that just matches with that filter. So let me just try another example. Let us just go to another sheet and type down some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 times 5, 6, 7, and then click on filter. And here just type down the name of filter. It's optional, so let me just write down numbers. And then here let us select let me select primary column because I've written the numbers in primary column. And then you can just select a filter such as I'm gonna select is less than. So you can enter the value. Let me type down 5. So all of the numbers that are less than 5 would be filtered over here. So that was how you can use the filter feature on Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.